Great, thank you. Bye. Hey, what's up? So today I was just going about my day and then I went to the kitchen and lo and behold, my bananas. Look at how adorable these are. So tiny, wait, so small. It's adorable, I'm into it. Clearly, I am so good at cooking that I didn't need instructions. And yeah, I guess we're gonna try and do that. So I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I don't have deep frying oil. But yeah, I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out. You know what, I'll just keep it on low heat and pray for the best. Alright. First off, take your bananas out and start removing them from the skin. Peel them off and throw them in a bowl. Any bowl would do. Anything that was laying around in your dirty house. That's it, step one. Step two, you gotta mash them. Use a fork, use a spoon, use a television set, use a foot. Just mash them real nice. If you're like me and you don't know how to use a fork, fear not. Just use your fingers. Wash them, don't wash them if you want a little extra something. Maybe like last week's meal. Got your butt and poisson salé, you. Proceed with sugar. Add as little as you want if you want to be health conscious, or as much as you want if you want it to be delicious. But you're gonna deep fry this delicious shit anyway, so yum yum bitch. Next up, flour. You want to add enough flour to make the consistency a little thick, but not too thick. This is clearly such a precise art. I'm just that good. I don't even require measurements. Actually, I did not receive help during the making of this video. I'm just too good of a cook. I'm so... You must put flour, sugar, then mix, then with bananas. Oops. Oops. Was it too much? Oops. Yeah, anyway, moving on. Next up is milk. If the mixture turned out too thick, add a little milk to it to make it nice and loose. Actually, just nice. Make it just right. Vanilla extract. This is so good. Add a little cap or a little more. And if you don't have it at home, go out and get some. This is a necessity. Oil. The oil should just be regular oil, not olive oil, because you have to deep fry the dumpling. I didn't have anything else. Whatever. Pull out a plate and cover it with tissue paper. That's going to absorb all the excess oil from the dumplings. As you can see, oh, what? Those dumplings be looking like shit, boy. Yeah, I know, they are looking like shit because I forgot to add baking powder. I heard people say that it's bad for your health, but bitch, you need it. So I took out the baking powder and added a little pinch, which I believe is the right amount. But I am taking no chances. No. So I took a little bit more and a little bit more. Yes, sir. That's how the mix should look like. Just barely giving. Just beautiful. Pouring enough oil so dumplings can float. Right there, they are going to become flat instead of little balls because there's not enough oil. So more oil than that. Turn up the fire to medium heat and make sure that the oil is hot before you put in the dumplings. That's really important. You can use a spoon to make sure they don't touch, or you could... Oh my god. Oh no. No.
voila. Just wait for the dumplings to turn golden brown, and if you're like me, you didn't use enough oil, you have to turn them around once in a while. If not, then you're doing better at life than me. Take them out, and voila, you made some delicious banana dumpling from Mauritius. Hey, delicious Mauritius, what? Trademark, buy my merch. What? Repeat! So there's enough for everybody, you and your friends. Or if you're just lonely and hungry.
Right, so that was pretty spectacular, if I may say so myself. It turned out pretty nice. I like it, it looks amazing. It looks like stages of failure to success. That didn't even turn brown, and it's still like kind of floppy. I think it's because I didn't have baking powder in. And the next one was a little clumsy, I don't know why. I think it's because the oil wasn't hot enough. And then the last part turned out amazing. It's a little flat because I didn't like have enough oil in the pan. So takeaway to make Gato banane is you need baking powder and hot oil. Yeah. Not too bad.